Well, hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. In this video, I wanted to give you an update on all the projects that I'm working on and just give you an idea of what I do on the weekends and what my interests are, what the projects are, and what my plans are for getting them done. I'm actually not a mechanic, guys. I'm actually a mechanical engineer. I work in the oil field, has nothing to do with cars. I just love cars and it's my hobby, my interest. I just work on it to relieve the stress from work and family sometimes. I do love the families, but I like to be out here and relieve the stress. It's very therapeutic for me to be out here working on cars and hanging out with the dogs. Actually, I love doing that. They're always around when I work on the projects. So I'm gonna walk around the shop. We'll show you all the projects and the plans for each one of them. So hopefully you guys enjoy a little tour. Well, guys, my wife and I built this house ourselves, so I get to pick out the perfect layout for what I do. So let's start out with this garage. It's a 4.5 car garage on this side, and then I have another 2-car garage on this side. We're gonna walk over there in a minute, but plenty of space to work on project, guys. So the C8, which I have plenty of videos that are already showing this C8, and I'm gonna keep working on it, keep making upgrades whenever I can. So you've seen quite a few videos on this Oldsmobile. Bought it from a guy that already had it done. I just put in some finishes touch on it, put in the stereo system, work on the wheels, put that hood vent on. I did a bunch of other restoration, like this whole dash. It was all rotted outside. I had it rebuilt, and now it looks like almost brand new. So I enjoy working on that. It's got a 350 rocket on it. So I don't know, I'm just gonna keep making improvement on it over time. So what you see here is a Hellcat engine. It's brand new. I bought it from Mopar a couple years ago because I've heard that these are obsolete. They don't make them anymore. So I bought one and leave them there. That's a Challenger project that I'm going to show you in my shop. It's kind of back burner for now, but I love this engine sitting there. This is a project that my son and I worked on. It's a father and son project. He did most of the work, got up to this point, and a couple years ago he was just busy with high school and friends and everything, so he kind of walked away from the project. You can see there's like a layer of dust on it. So he's in college now, first year. This summer he said he's going to keep working on it and get it started, but basically it's a Z28 Camaro. It's 87. We did an LS swap on it. Him and I rebuilt the engine ourselves from the ground up. We have some videos on that you guys can check out. So I really look forward to having him finish that project. It's going to be really cool. So let's go back over here. Now let's get to the other side. By the way, I built like this entire setup. I really like it. It has lots of room, lots of storage. So on this side, this is where I put the chassis of the Humvee for now. Got a 2-post lift, which is real nice. I use it quite a bit until this thing gets in here, and now it gets in the way of everything else. I do have upstairs. That's where I store like all my parts and everything. It goes all the way back on top of the 4-car garage. So plenty of space of storage. And then And I do have a shop in the back of the house. We'll share that with you in just a minute. We're on a 1 acre lot, so there's lots of room for expansion. You can see that building back there that I put on a little bit later than when we built the house. You see this truck right here. I did quite a bit of work on it. There's several videos on that particular truck, F-250. That's my son's Tundra back there. And I bought this Fox body from a guy. Had a great deal on it. It runs just fine. It just needed a new paint job. I used to love this back in the late 80s. Couldn't afford them back then, so I thought I'm gonna rebuild this one day. I just have way too many things going on right now. I'm just gonna leave it there. Yeah, we'll walk into the building. This is where the Humvee Recon project reside. You can see that I'm still working on this project. Took a little break and do this video because I was kind of tired doing the grinding and the welding. So, but that's where we at. I'm just kind of finalizing this area so you can get the hood back in and go from there. So this body is going to join with the chassis in the house that I showed you earlier. So by the time I get that done, I'm going to get a lot more space, because right now this and the chassis is taking two indoor storage space. So it'll be nice to get my space back. And this is the Challenger project I was talking about. That Hellcat's going to go in here. I started this project, stripped it all down to bare metal, had it sandblasted. Everything is nice and neat. It's just a matter of finishing it up. I took the roof off already. It was rotting out, so you can see it's like Swiss cheese. No worries, I've done this before. It's not too bad. But this is gonna be like a kind of a SEMA built resto mod kind of deal. It's gonna have like huge wide tires in the back. It'll tucked in. I'm gonna do mini tubbing, things like that. I already had it started. That's the new sheet metal for the roof. And all of this sheet metals here I already purchased. It's meant to be replacing most of the sheet metals in that car. So just a matter of getting it done. I'm actually doing the mini tub myself by buying a standard inner fenders and just cut right in the middle, and then add 2 or 3 more inches to it to expand it. You can see that's the quarter panel sitting over there. And so that's the Challenger project. This trailer, we use it a lot. Our family love camping, so we take it on the weekends and have a lot of fun with that. Just nice getaway. And this building over here was built to clear a 5th wheel. I used to have a 5th wheel that parked in here, and we kind of just grew out of that 5th wheel. We don't need it that big anymore. We bought this trailer shorter. I gained space to put the Challenger in there, so that's kind of a plus. Can't wait to get the Humvee Recon done so I start working on that Challenger project. But yeah, so that's the plan for the next few years anyway. Well guys, the nice things about having multiple projects is that when you get tired of working on one, you can just walk away and work on something else, and then when you get ready, just come back for it. And it works out really good, because this Humvee Recon, sometimes it just it frustrates the heck out of me, and what I needed was just to walk away for a day or two, or a weekend or two, and come back fresh, think about everything, and then work on it again. So it works out really well having multiple projects. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoy a little tool. And so this is what I do, guys. That's the plan for the next couple of years. And then I just can't wait to get like all these projects done, because I do have some ideas that's after this. So I gotta hurry up and get the stuff done. Yeah, you can count on it. I'm gonna be out here every weekend unless I got something going on, and just keep working on it and keep having fun. That's what it's all about. Well, I appreciate you guys tuning in to KT Garage. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.